What if the origins of life on Earth didn't start on Earth at all? Scientists have just confirmed something absolutely mind-blowing. All the essential building blocks of DNA and RNA have been found in a meteorite. Yes, the same ingredients that make up you and me, floating through space, crashing into Earth. Let's rewind a bit. DNA and RNA are like the operating systems of life. They're made up of molecules called nucleobases, the letters of life's code. For DNA, those letters are adenine, A, thymine, T, cytosine, C, guanine, G. For RNA, uracil, U, replaces thymine. Over the years, scientists had found a few of these bases in meteorites, but not all. The missing ones were cytosine and thymine, which are delicate and degrade easily. But recently, thanks to super-sensitive instruments, researchers finally detected all 5 nucleobases in meteorites, like the Murchison Meteorite, which fell in Australia in 1969. These space rocks are over 4.5 billion years old, older than Earth's first life. And yet, inside them were the same molecular pieces our bodies use to store and copy genetic information. This is huge. It strongly supports the theory that the basic ingredients for life didn't form on Earth. They were delivered here by meteors, comets, and cosmic dust. In other words, life may have started with a little help from outer space. If these life-forming molecules are out there in meteorites, could they also be seeding life on other planets? Are we just one example of life's code being written in the universe? This changes the way we think about biology and our place in the cosmos. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, the very code of life might be out there, floating in the darkness, waiting to spark life again. Because the story of us may have begun in the stars.